Here's the original clip on the left, and here's what Buzzy turned it into on the right, and a much stronger final result. Now let me show you how I made this with Buzzy. One thing I also like is that Buzzy supports powerful AI video generation models like Seedance 2.5. That means you can create more polished, cinematic AI videos directly inside the platform, making it even easier to bring your ideas to life without switching between multiple tools. I'm removing random people from the background. One prompt. Done. Here, I'm fixing dark lighting in a vlog. No reshooting. Done. Here, I'm replacing an entire room with a professional studio. One sentence. Done. And here, I'm changing someone's outfit. Same person, same camera angle, new clothing. This is Buzzy Video Photoshop. Instead of learning complex editing software, you simply tell the video what to change. The AI handles the rest. What is Video Photoshop? Think of Photoshop for images. You describe a change. The software makes it happen. Buzzy brings that idea to video. Upload a clip. Type what you want. Generate the result. No timelines, no masking, no keyframes, just chat. How it works, let's try it. First, upload a video. Next, type a prompt. For example, remove the people behind me, or make the lighting brighter, or replace the background with a podcast studio. Then click generate. A few moments later, your edited video is ready. Example 1, remove passersby. Here's a travel video. People keep walking through the background. I'll type, remove all people walking behind me. Generate, and they're gone. The creator stays untouched. The background looks clean. Example 2, remove debris. This beach scene looks great, but there is trash on the sand. I'll type, remove all debris from the beach. Generate, now the beach looks clean and professional. Example 3, fix lighting. This vlog was recorded in poor lighting. The face looks too dark. I'll type, brighten the face and add soft studio lighting. Generate, now the video looks professionally lit. No reshoot required. Example 4, fix eye contact. This creator is reading from a teleprompter. Their eyes keep drifting away from the camera. I'll type, adjust eye gaze so the speaker looks directly at the camera. Generate. Now the eye contact feels natural. Example 5, change background. This video was recorded in a bedroom. I'll type, replace the bedroom with a modern podcast studio. Generate, same creator, same shot, new environment. Example 6, change clothing. The creator is wearing a black t-shirt. I'll type, change the shirt into a navy business suit. Generate, the outfit changes instantly. Everything else stays the same. Example 7, change perspective. This shot feels too narrow. I'll type, convert this into a wider cinematic shot. Generate, now the scene feels bigger and more dramatic. Example 8, change aspect ratio. This video was filmed horizontally, but I need it for TikTok. I'll type, convert this video into a vertical format. Generate, now it's ready for shorts, reels, and TikTok. Example 9, person swap. Now, let's do something more advanced. I'll upload a person image. Then I'll type, replace the main character with this person. Generate, the motion stays the same. The person changes. Perfect for content creators and marketers. Example 10, product swap. Now let's replace a product. I'll upload a product image. Then type, replace the product with my product. Generate, same commercial, same movement, new product. No reshoot required. OpenClaw inspiration. Need ideas? Buzzy includes OpenClaw. OpenClaw helps you discover creative inspiration. Browse trends. Explore visual styles. Find new concepts. Then bring those ideas directly into Video Photoshop. For years, video editing required expensive software and technical skills. Buzzy changes that. Upload a video. Describe what you want. Generate the result. Remove distractions. Fix lighting. Change backgrounds. Swap people. Swap products. All through simple conversation. Try Buzzy Video Photoshop today. Upload a video. Tell it what to change. And let AI do the editing.